All right, let's okay. So what has been going on? A lot of different stuff. Lots been going on. Lots been going on. Algorand's been going crazy. Tons of money being dropped out there. Well done, Algorand. Well done. What else is going on? Hackathons, ETH, HackMoney, Word. Good stuff. Good stuff. So, what I've been up to, like, honestly, if you, this is exactly what happened. I was trying to write a plugin for my own editor for Reach, and I thought that it was going to work. It was kind of close, I thought. And then it totally blew the thing up and made it totally unusable. Like I couldn't use it, so I had to start using Visual Studio Code, and it's been good. I'm shocked. Yeah, it's good. I should have been using it a long time, but you know, it was my higher power to really tell me, yeah, get rid of this other editor and be using this for Reach. And so I did. So I started looking at the code, and there's some areas of improvement, minor. Yeah, like if anybody else wants to start adding in, you know, jump on board and help out, that'd be sick. So I'm gonna share my screen here. All right. Yeah, so there's been, you know, a few things been going on, and right now, you know, this week I was trying to write an editor plugin for the editor that I use all the time, and for Reach, and it totally blew the thing up. It made it unusable. So I tried for a day to try to get this thing to work, to no avail. Nothing. So I figured I'd go the Visual Studio Code route, and pleasantly surprised is really good. There's a couple of tooling. There's a lot of toolings that I would like to see from my other editor of choice in Visual Studio Code, but it's very pluggable, and you can do all this stuff yourself and mix and match and get what you want, and give it out open source and have other people work on it too. So that's cool. So I'm all for it. So then I forked the Reach IDE, and I've been making a couple edits as I've been going through and seeing some needs that I would like. So in another story, my screen recording stuff went haywire. So now I'm using Zoom. So forgive me, it's gonna be a long video. Okay, so right now, in the buttons, there's some new updates here. These are basically the same that you'd see before in the previous editor, but now you can post an issue, and you can create a gist file. Helps out the team, and kind of you can clarify it. It'd be nice to have like formatting, so it's like, you know, the build number and blah 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 blah, and have it all formatted so you do that. But maybe that's another update. So you can just see here, yeah, no, just simple stuff. So now I'm gonna just I'm gonna launch the client, and I think I might have to stop the share and then reshare them. I'm gonna figure that out. Okay, so I'm going to just launch this client here, and that'd be cool if it does it in the same one. That'd be very fortunate. Oh, it does. Sick. All right, I didn't know that. Well, that's cool. That is cool. All right. Okay. So now it's running here, and I'm under the impression it is. Well, I guess I'll find out later if this actually worked or not. If it doesn't work, I just make another video, right? And so it seems to be wanting to do some stuff here, and I'm most likely gonna have to open up something like you to get things to be activated. This is the first time I'm actually recording this. It's kind of on the fly. A lot of this is still in testing, physical testing. I'm doing it on my own right now. So I'm going to okay, so this project here, this is a it's scaffold Reach UI, and then totally blew it up in code for the HackMoney, right? Because you don't want to take old stuff, right? So basically started from scratch and kind of like grab the piece here and grab, just like it's hackathon, you're hacking. It's mashup styles, right? So mashed up some stuff. And but this is more for the community, and then I'm going to show some of the stuff that I'm working on with a friend of mine, Uncle Scooby, and he might even get on the call. Who knows? Yeah, Uncle Scooby talk about some of the stuff he's doing, and yeah. So this is going to take a little bit here, but just give it some time. I see it. And I'm recording too, so I'm asking a lot out of this thing. You know, if I get to this part where it works, I'll be grateful. And so I hope everybody's having a good week. Yeah, you're gonna see a couple of little these things kind of pop up because you know, it's a work in progress. All right. So with all these extensions going up, I'm still really new to this, and it's a lot because of the back and forth between the two. But now you'll see that we have these new buttons for the post issue and create a gist, and the reach compile and reach run, kind of containerizing a lot of this stuff too. You know, just for the sake of like if an issue does come up in your code and it's right there, right? So we're gonna get some stuff like this. You know, it's doing this thing, and I've noticed that when you're doing these videos, like my editor like goes wonky. So sometimes you think it's just because of this is not really because of anything but just, you know, the video gods and the IDE gods are just not jiving. Anyway, let's see if this works. It's interesting to see if it actually just attaches to, you know, the browser that's you know, the thing that's in context, kind of like, you know, Z-axis and stuff. But I might be asking a little bit too much from that. So I'm just kind of seeing if this is running up, and then I'll kind of go through some of the Frankenstein stuff that's happening here. It's running really slow, really chill. Come on. All right. want to make sure this thing works. Okay, yeah, it works. All right, right on. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is now that I know that this thing is working to some degree, I am going to go back in here. I'm going to shut this down. Yeah, because it's just weird when you like see it, like the text is all like squiggly lines and you're like, errors, and it's not. So shut this down. Yeah, so you can do like some cool stuff now inside of this kind of monstrosity that's happening here. So you do have your truffle compile, right? I mean, I can do my truffle compile from here. I just want to make sure, kind of doing this live, this is, usually don't want to do stuff like that, but, yeah, so, you know, nothing's changed here. And then, you know, I got my reach here too, right? And I can do my good old like reach compile and, you know, have it go through its verification engine, right? So, you know, yeah, so that's cool. That's really cool. So I have everything contained now and kind of have like a little, you know, little framework happening here. And now I'm going to show you the stuff that I'm doing for HackMoney. Yeah, man. So I'm going to share another screen. And so this is what I'm working on for HackMoney. And right now, okay, I wasn't sharing the screen. Okay, so this is what I'm working on for HackMoney with a buddy, a couple buddies, man. We're all having a fun time with this. Works locally. I have a couple issues and trying to work them out right now. But basically, it's like an online marketplace. You opt in, you create it like a storefront, right? Your Moon marketplace, and then you start creating stuff, right? You know, I don't really want to go onto the whole NFT kick, but it could be there's opportunities for people to, you know, create you know, audio, video, be original creator and have that be sold and have like a royalty kickback as being an original creator, kind of the high level concept of it. So you have like a Moo market. Excuse me, there are some bugs, so you might probably see this as I'm going through it. Like that. Oh yeah, it would help to be if I actually was running it. All right, I gotta do a yarn start. I'm gonna do that behind the scenes, and hopefully I can just bring up the and it'll just it's already attached to it. Sorry, I stopped the web server, expecting to see and things would work. In the background tunes, EthGlobal TV, loving it. Friday afternoon, just outside Toronto, Canada, baby. Writing some smart contracts, some UI love. What tech? Yeah, so the tech, Reach, of course, love Reach. and your truffle consensus of I'm going to incorporate some of the Rimble UI because I like it. I think it's cool. It's good to have like some kind of design patterns, because like my biggest problem in for myself speaking, when I'm building a DApp, is that my contract and then my UI gets lost, it goes off into the weeds, so to speak. And so don't want that. Okay, so this initial contract right now is on Rinkeby. Oh, this part's fixed. Huh. I thought I still had a bug in that part, and I do not. So right now it has a couple of there's a Moon Market, have a marketplace, and you can there's bugs in it. Right now I want to have the files like you create from your desktop, and it goes to IPFS, so it's broken right now, and I just have a few placeholders just for creating tests and stuff like that. So you can go and create your product, and so this is once you've like opted in. I've already opted in, so it kind of just remembers this me, and you can just go in like some test. I'm into Reach. It's like okay, just some and there's just some different ones that I have in there right now, and you're not going to be able to see the MetaMask, but you kind of see in the background that it's doing something here, and have your 0 point my gas fee here, and this is going through blah, 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 blah. And there we go. Okay, now you can see, we have another thing here in the Moo Marketplace, and I can go to my Moo wallet info, and right, and you can see that we have wallet and my stuff I want to sell, and yeah, that's basically it. NFTs, I mean, are like life is art, isn't it? Should just be an art gallery. But yeah, that's it. Checking in for the ETH money hack, and showing some new stuff with Reach Lang. And did I even show like no, I don't think I did. I am going to show. Go to share screen again, and yeah, share the screen. So this is what's happening in the editor, and so I showed you the compiles. So you have the post issue, and I wish it would just automatically snap, but it doesn't seem to do that. So you have to, this is how you do things nowadays. And yeah, so this is going to be the same for the create gist, but it just creates a gist file, right? And you can go through and create an issue, but I don't have an issue right now, so I don't need to do one. So I'll stop the share on that, and I'm going to load up. Oh, geez. tunes, man. EthGlobal TV. Why did I do that? That's silly. Tunes are rocking. Gonna have to edit that out, but that's gonna be hard to do because ScreenFlow updated and it doesn't work anymore. Can you believe that? Pay for a product and they update it and then they freaking give you a rug pull. Dirty bastards. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm doing it with Zoom and I don't even know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna be wasting my time. All right. Well, I might have pooched myself with, yeah, that might be it. Anyhow, you know what, folks? That's just when you thought you got rid of me. Okay, well, have it your way, higher power. So I'm going to run the create gist, and I'll show that to you guys too. Oh, these tunes are awesome. Tunes are awesome. EthGlobal TV. Yeah, so this is just to create the gist one, and let's see what's going on here. All right, let's and that's about as far as it goes. All right, folks, I'm out of here.